Hello friends, welcome to the target series of RBWM. In target series, we are covering all the subjects, right from Indian economy, accounts, AFM, PPB and RBWM. I am covering RBWM. So follow the complete series, all the subjects. They are available on Officers Adda247 YouTube channel, English medium. Hindi also they are available. Hindi we have separate in bilingual. So follow both the channels. Don't miss even a single lecture. Okay. So today I'll be covering credit card and debit card, unit number 10. Kindly note, this credit card and debit card is an important business in the banking going on right now because it's the fastest loan which can be given. After all, credit card is a loan. So it is the fastest unsecured loan which can be given. Many banks are trying for the same. Lesser NPS and this retention is also good. Okay. So that's why this is the important chapter in your JAIIB also. Follow the complete lecture, watch the complete video, share it with your friends, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Let's start. Which one of the following products is not a retail asset product? Loan against NSCs, cash certificate, consumer finance and credit cards. Which one of them is not a retail asset product? Look at this. We are focusing on asset product. Okay? Not, and importantly note this question, not retail asset. Loan against NSCs, cash certificates, consumer finance, credit cards. See, this is a retail product. You give loan against NSC, LIC policy, all these, right? Consumer finance, yes. We give the consumer finance for TV, fridge. Nowadays we have started that also. Credit cards, yes. It is a retail asset product. Only cash certificate is not the retail asset product. Cash certificate is a basically corporate product. Okay. So this is false and you wanted this only. So actual answer is B. All these are the retail asset products. So we'll take this as the correct answer. Cash certificate. This is the correct answer. Okay. It is not a retail asset product. In a credit card, the finance charges, interest are calculated on daily basis at the end of every day based on. So what is this finance charges? See, when does the finance charge come in picture in credit card? Finance charge will come in picture if you don't pay the money, whatever is due to you. If you pay part payment, then it will be applicable. Suppose let's say my monthly bill of credit card is, let's say, 40,000. So if I pay 40,000 on due date, whatever is the due date, if I pay it on due date, then no finance charges, nothing is applicable. I'll get everything, this 40,000 for free. I can use it for whatever period, but I should pay on the due date. This is my bill, credit card purchasing bill. See here, cash is not included in this. I have purchased something in that month for 40,000. So there I'll be using it. If I pay it on time, pay on time. Time. No charges. No finance charges. But if I miss the date, then the finance charges start. So now, how are they calculated? Based on what? Total limit of the card, total limit minus outstanding balance, current outstanding balance of the customer, balance above the limit. So on what basis will this finance charges be calculated? Think over it. After all, it's a loan. It's a normal loan. Okay. It is given to the customer. So normal loan. In normal loan, we always calculate the charges based on what? Total limit. How much amount have I sanctioned? No, not this. Interest. You have basically finance charges means what? You are calculating the interest. So interest is calculated how? Total limit? No. Total limit minus outstanding balance. Minus means suppose if my sanction amount is 1 lakh, credit card sanction is 1 lakh, and I have used let's say 40,000. So my finance charges will be applicable on the remaining amount. 1 lakh minus 40,000, 60,000. Is it so? 1 lakh is my sanction amount and I have used 40,000. So will my interest or finance charges be on the difference? No. Current outstanding balance of the customer. This is the right answer. Current outstanding. Okay. Let me see how many of you have given it correctly. Yeah. Okay. So current outstanding balance. Got it? So after all, it's a normal loan. So it will be applicable on the current outstanding balance only. Balance above the limit, that is separate. You can't get anything above the limit. In credit card, you will never get anything above the limit. Anything. Okay? In credit card scoring module, among the others, the following important parameters are taken into account. So scoring module. Scoring means what? What do you mean by the scoring module? See, there are two modules in credit card. Whenever you sanction the credit card to anyone, there are two parts. One is eligibility criteria. Eligibility means what? Whether I should give the credit card or not. Eligible. Whether I should give the credit card or not. That is eligibility. Means that depends on the basic education, whether this person is educated, what is the level of that person, right? Now, if the basic details of the customer are not correct, will you give him the credit card? No, definitely will not, isn't it? So that is the point. So this is known as the eligibility criteria, and second criteria is the scoring module. Now on scoring module, what do you decide? You decide the type of credit card to be given. Which type of credit card? Now we have various credit cards. Okay, scoring. Various credit cards are there. In the sense, which are the various credit cards? It can be, for example, for scoring module, you can have platinum card, you can have gold card, you can have regular card. Many cards are there. As per the banks, the cards are different, isn't it? So, scoring module. The credit card, in a credit card scoring module, among the others, which of the following important parameters are taken into account? Educational qualification, annual income, spouse income, and dependents. So which of them is correct over here? What do you think should be the correct answer? I think so it should be all of the above, isn't it? Educational qualification, you'll check that. Annual income, you'll check that. Spouse income, you'll check that. Dependents, you'll check that. So A to D all, isn't it? So all of them will be the correct answer in this, right? The credit card application form generally contains the following information. So what information does the credit card application contain? What? Let's see. Personal data of the applicant, official or professional status, income details, particulars of savings, assets and liabilities, and details of the bank accounts. So what does it include? Do you have personal data, or do you have official or professional status? Do you have income details, particulars of savings, assets and liabilities, details of the bank accounts? Is it, or do you have something? Is it A to E all? Is it A to D? A, B, D and E only, and B and D. So what is the answer in this? What is the answer in this? The answer will be A to E all. Okay. Credit scoring is an effective tool used at the time of issuing the credit card. So effective dash tool. What is this tool? Credit scoring, risk identification, risk quantification, risk mitigation and risk pricing. So credit scoring, how will you, what is the main purpose of credit scoring? Scoring means what? What type of card should I issue? Should I issue the card or not? That is also basic thing. So what does it give you? Does it give you risk identification, quantification, mitigation? Mitigation is obviously not there. You can't mitigate the risk. Okay. Risk pricing, this can be one tool, but risk pricing depends on other products which are purchased by the customer. So this can also be removed. If the customer is having huge FD with you, you will give him a lower rate, isn't it? This is the main point, identification. It will identify the risk, whether I should give the customer the credit card or not. That will be identified over here. Okay. Before issuance of the card, detailed information is collected. The objective of which is to obtain. So what is the objective? Means why do we have this detailed information? The objective is holistic picture of the applicant, biodata of the applicant, financial position of the applicant, details of assets and liabilities of the applicant. What do we want? Why do we have this form filling up? Why do we get this form filled up from the customer? What do we actually want from the form? Do we want to know the assets? Are we interested in knowing the assets and liabilities? Only assets and liabilities. Are we interested in knowing the financial position? Are we interested in knowing the biodata? What are we interested in? We are basically interested in holistic picture. We want to know all these. Holistic means what? Biodata, financial position, assets and liabilities, everything. Plus others also, not only these three. What are the dependents? That can also be checked, isn't it? What is the educational qualification? What is the where is that person living? Is it rented? Is it owned? All these things are known over here, right? So holistic picture is the right answer. Issue of credit card involves a process which is which is followed in an order. Which of the following is a correct order? Means issuing a credit card involves a particular sequence. Order means sequence. So which is the correct sequence over here? Obtaining and processing of application, issue of card and PIN mailer, card operations, arriving at a credit score. A, look at this. See, this is issue of. Okay. So do we arrive at a credit score at the end? See, the sequence should be in the 1, 2, 3, 4 format. 1 I should do it at the first, 4 I should do it at the last. So this sequence, if I say 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 over here, card operations, and 4. So do I arrive at a credit score at the end? No, before issuance I need to have the credit score. So this is wrong. Obtaining and processing of application. Yes, step number 1. Because without that application, how will I come to know what that customer is? Arriving at a credit score. Issuing of card and a PIN mailer and card operations. This can be one sequence. Next, obtaining and processing of application, card operations, arriving at a credit score, issue of card and a PIN mailer. D, obtaining and processing of application, issue of the credit card and a PIN mailer, arriving at a credit score and card operations. Which is the correct sequence? Yeah. Correct sequence is this, obtaining and processing of application. First is this part correct. Credit score, then depending on this credit score, you will issue the card or you will not issue the card. You will issue the type of card, which type of card you want to issue. Okay. Then issue of card and PIN mailer. Once it is decided, you will give the card to that customer. And PIN mailer, nowadays mailer is not there, PIN SMS is there or internet banking is there, right? We don't have a mails nowadays. And last one is card operations. We will monitor these card operations. The card operations of the customer are to be monitored, even though anything might be the CIBIL score of that person. Anything might be the credit score of that person, but you have to monitor the card operations. Okay? So the answer over here is this one, correct. Okay, next one. The payments due under the credit card can be made under the following modes. Means if I have to pay for the card, I have purchased something, now it's a due date. I have to make the payment on the due date. For making the payment on the due date, what is the process which I should follow? How should I pay? So lump sum payment, minimum fixed payment, say 100% or 10%. 10% of the amount due every month. Conversion of outstanding amount into EMI and any of the above. Means how much can I pay? Can I make the lump sum payment complete payment? I can. Minimum fixed payment means 10% is the RBI regulated norm. RBI says that minimum you have to pay 10%. Means why 10%? See, if my bill is, let's say, 70 rupees. So RBI says minimum 70 is a small amount. Let's say 70,000 rupees. Okay. So RBI says minimum 10% you should pay. So 7,000 you should pay. What do you mean by the 7,000? It means that it shows your intention to pay. Intention. Okay. If you are paying the 7,000 on a due date, it means your intention is good. You might not have the money right now because in COVID situation, there were many customers who were not having the money at all, but they had the intention to pay. So even if somebody pays a part payment, then it shows that the customer has the intent of payment. Right now he or she may not be having the money, but intent is very important in credit card. Okay. So minimum payment, this minimum fixed, that is 10%. Conversion of the outstanding amount into EMI, that is also allowed. Here, officially if you do it, it's very, very much allowed. You can ask the credit card company only, kindly, I am not able to pay this, kindly convert this into 13 months EMI. So the company converts. So anything of this is allowed. So the answer is any of the above. Okay, the answer is any of the above. Got it, everyone? The free credit period in a credit card differs from bank to bank and it is generally in the range of. So free credit period. What do you mean by free credit period? See, whenever you make the purchase, this purchase gives you some free time. Means I have a billing cycle. See, kindly understand one simple logic of this credit card. I have something called as billing cycle. Billing cycle. What do you mean by this? Suppose let's say my billing date is 5th of every month, 5th. Okay. So now in 5th, suppose if let's say the month today is May. Okay. May 5th, I'll have to pay the credit card bill on May 5th. Okay. Pay means what? My bill is generated on this. See, 5th of May bill is generated means what? Up to 5th for last month, whatever I have purchased, I'll be billed on this date. When do I pay? I have 20 more days, 20 days. So I'll be paying on 25th, 5 and this 25th. 25th I'll have to pay. This is my due date. Okay. So due date is 25th. I'll have to pay on 25th. But the bill is generated on when? Bill is generated on 5th of May. Got it? So now understand how many days am I getting? 20 days minimum. Now suppose, let's say I purchased something on May 6th. May 6th I purchased. 6th morning I purchased something. When will I be billed for that? May 6th I am purchasing. So I will be billed in the next month. So I'll be billed for this on June 5th. I'll be billed on June 5th. Okay. So how many days am I getting free? May 6th to June 5th. Almost 30 days. Depending on that 31 days. Roughly 30 days you will be getting. And after this also you are getting 20 more days. So 30 plus 20, 50 days you are getting free. So minimum you are getting 20 days free and maximum you are getting 50 days free. So the ranges from 20 to 50 days. It ranges from 20 to 50 days. Got it, everyone? Clear this concept? See, this billing cycle is very important in your exam also, in your life also. In exam also, you get a question on the billing cycle. Okay, you get a case study on this, on the same which I have taken. Okay. The term free credit period in a credit card is represented by the, what do you mean by this? Free credit period, this 20 days, 25, 30, 50 days, that period. The period front date of billing to date of payment. Okay, period from date of billing to date of payment. Period from date of issuing the card to date of billing. Period from date of issuing the card to date of payment. Any of the above, whichever is earlier. What is the correct answer in this? This is very simple one. You will definitely answer this. It is period from date of billing to date of payment. Just now we saw this. I gave you the case study, isn't it? Date of billing to date of payment. That is the answer. Okay. Now, before going, everyone, let me show you how to join the batches. Join the paid batches without fail. Okay, go to Adda247. Always go through the app. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra. So don't miss this. Go through the app always. Okay. So go to Adda247. Download the app first. It is available on both iPhone and Android, both of them. Okay. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. See this. Okay. Now click on JAIIB November. Got it? Now you will see the batches. See this. Increment batch. November. Click on this batch. It is just now started. Okay. E-books, mock tests, online live classes, recorded videos. Everything is available. Plus you have AI assistant. Plus you have this query sessions. Everything is available. Okay. Now, how do you purchase this? Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this. 80% discount you are getting. Plus 1% extra. See this. Plus 1% extra. How will you get this 1% extra? You will get this 1% extra. See this. 80% by using the code Y432. And 1% by purchasing through the app. Download the app first. Okay. So download the app and then you will get 81% discount. Huge thing. Also I would suggest, one more point I will always suggest you. Always you should purchase the Mahapack. Okay. In Mahapack, see this. Increment Mahapack. JAIIB Increment Mahapack. Now you are having many days. You are having almost 5 months now. So you can definitely make use of this Increment Mahapack. In Increment Mahapack, you are getting 15 plus batches. All the new batches you get it directly in this. You purchase the Mahapack, you will get all the new batches. Okay. So in Increment Mahapack, you get this. One important part which you get is double validity. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. Plus 80% discount is there. 1% through the app, that is also there. But for that, again the same thing. Code. Don't forget the code. Y432. Look at this. Okay. 80% discount you are getting. Plus 1% through the app. Plus this double validity. So don't miss even a single class. Okay. Join the class immediately. Okay. So best of luck and keep studying.